Hey guys, welcome back. Today it's time to pick that winner for the 1 ounce silver round of my subscriber giveaway for 600 subs. So let me just play this intro real quick from my sponsor, which is myself, and I'll set up the random generator and we'll get right to it. Okay guys, so here I am. I'm on my YouTube channel page. If you look right here at my cursor, you'll see this little TubeBuddy box next to the video we're talking about. TubeBuddy is a great tool for YouTube creators. It just makes putting in tags and thumbnails and picking winners so much easier. I have a link down in the description if you really like the TubeBuddy things that it does, and I highly recommend you get it. You can actually get it for free and then pay for more upgrades if you want to do more and more things depending how advanced you are. But anyways, let's go pick a winner. Keep in mind I have to pay attention to the rules. If you don't have a 10-word or more comment, I have to cut you loose. If you're not in the United States, for right now I'm only mailing to the United States, I have to cut you loose. Unless you have a US address, which you would have had to put in the comments, I have a US address. But anyways, let's pick somebody. Let's see what happens. Go down to this TubeBuddy drop box, pick a winner. Running a contest? Yes, I am. That's what it says on the screen. And the winner is American Woodland Relics. So hey, Woodland Relics, I appreciate you subscribing. When you get the coin, please let people know you got it by either doing a video yourself or sharing this video, but at least comment on this video and say you got it. So in the YouTube messaging system, just go ahead and message me your address and I'll get that right out to you. Hey everybody, I really appreciate you participating. There's going to be more contests. They're going to be even better as we get more and more subs. So please share my videos and like them and have your friends subscribe. And we're starting the series off for the cryptocurrency for beginners. It's going to be very basic, so the average guy can basically figure it out and buy, sell, exchange crypto coins. So we'll start those this weekend. And I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. You have a great day. See you later, Woodland. Congratulations, dude. Bye.